Go.
Hey everybody. Now we're inside, but it's very cold out there, and it's not stopped snowing. And if you ever have snow, then you're gonna be way cold than us. If you have many real bad snow. But if you want, I'm gonna show you my dog. Wait just a minute, let me go. Ding it. There she is. Hi, Cindy. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Cindy, look. Look. Look, Cindy, look. Look, Cindy.
You want to say hi to Aunt Tina and Grandma and everybody?
Hi, Aunt Tina. Hi, Grandma. I was just showing you my dog. And now I'm gonna let her go. But if you have snow, then you might have very, very much. Okay.
Huh?
Bye-bye. Love you. Bye. Cut.